AP PhotoJacquelyn Martin Fher Olvera, the lead singer of Mexican rock band Mana, performs with the band in the East Room of the White House in Washington on May 5, 2016, as part of a Cinco de Mayo celebration. Mexican rockers Mana have written a check for 3.5 million Mexican pesos, roughly $200,000 United States dollars, to benefit victims of Mexico's earthquakes. The band went public with the news in an effort to incentivize more people to donate more funds, as the Carlos Slim Foundation will multiply every peso donated by 5. Mana doesn't usually publicize the actions of solidarity it's done for more than 20 years. But the difficult situation our country is going through makes it worthwhile to say that with this donation we want to motivate more people to join us, the band said in a statement. We think the proposal by the Carlos Slim Foundation, which will multiply by 5 every peso received, is a good option. The money donated will go to rebuilding schools, hospitals and homes in the areas affected by the earthquakes. Donations are set up internally in Mexico. Those who have phone service through Telmex can donate between 100 and 500 pesos by dialing 5566. Subscribers to cell phone service Telcel can text donations through a text message to 55,666. Donations can also be deposited directly to Banco Inbursa, account 11,111,111,111, Foundation Carlos Slim.